Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, my journey to becoming debt free, and also budget videos. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $444 into my regular binder. But let's first go ahead and make sure that we have $444. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 24, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, oops, 380, 385, 390, 395, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I got 440. Even though I can't count, it's early in the morning, but you know, I can't count this fine morning. I have 440. Alright, so let me get my binder, move this out my way, move that candle back, because you know, we ain't trying to burn no money. Alright, so my first envelope is going to be eating out. Eating out will get 20. Let's just give it 2 10s. And of course, I have not written on my cards. Yeah, I know I never do. So let me go ahead and do that. Yeah, it's so early. I wanted to record before I went to work. And of course, I'm exhausted and I can't even count this fine morning. Today's the 27th. I'm gonna go ahead and deposit $20, giving us $30. So let's make sure. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I haven't been eating out simply because I've been, well, y'all know that I was sick and I just wasn't hungry. I did lose weight while I had COVID, but you know, it's whatever. Spending is going to get 50. I did up my spending allowance because, you know, I need money for myself. I need to treat myself every blue moon. What have you all, I asked this in all of my videos, what have you all been up to? I haven't been doing anything. I've been staying home simply because I don't want to get sick again, because that was awful. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70. I don't know if any of you have had COVID yet, but it's horrible. The majority of the time while I was sick, I slept, but I have a lingering cough, which is absolutely awful. Next is going to be gas. Gas is going to get 50. Like I said before, my daughter always has my car, and I typically don't go anywhere. So she's the one that's always filling it up. So that's why gas has so much now. Gas now has 100, and yeah. Like I said, I never go anywhere. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Do you guys unstuff your envelopes? I've seen a lot of people, like, if they didn't spend that money that pay period, or I guess that week, like, they'll unstuff their envelopes. And I'm like, I'm not unstuffing anything. It could just keep sitting there, because you never know. I don't know why. I don't unstuff it. Medical will get 20. This is for, like, this medical one. I do have a HSA, but this is for, like, if I needed to buy, like, a prescription. How many times did I just say like? But yeah, this is if I need to buy a prescription or something like that. So it gets 20. Let's count it. 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now medical has 58. Next is going to be groceries. Groceries will get 200. We have a a lot of groceries, like, and we've been cooking a lot as well, so we've been doing really good. So, you know, my husband gives me money as well for groceries and everything, so he puts in. It isn't just like we only get $200 a month. So he puts in as well. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200. I don't know why it says it should have $6 because it doesn't. Right. Apparently I forgot to write something down for that $6, but you know, it's whatever. Beauty is going to get 30. I do need to go get my eyebrows done this weekend. Desperately. I'm over here looking like the Wolverine with some bushy eyebrows. So I said Beauty will get 30, giving us 56. So 10, 20, 30. So now Beauty has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 56. Clothing is going to get 20. Ooh, clothing has nothing. I'm trying to think what I spent it on. Let me see. Oh, it looks like, oh, probably Zion. Bought him some clothes. Ooh, the last time I deposited was at the beginning of this year. That's crazy. I'm gonna start putting just a little bit here and there though. So clothing has 10, 15, 20. Let's see. My hair is going to get 30. Alright, so now my hair should have 43. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3. And then Zion will get 20. So that's going to be all these 20s. I know I messed up somewhere. I don't know why I have so many ones, but you know, whatever. It's whatever. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's probably what I did when I was counting at the beginning of the video. All right, so let's make sure he has 45, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now Zion has 45. My voice still isn't like back either from having COVID, and it's been a month. No, it hasn't been a month since I had COVID. A couple of more days and it's been a month. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.